How to fix WeChat app problems. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your WeChat app problems. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of WeChat. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in WeChat. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Now as you do so, open up your settings app. Scroll below to apps and search for WeChat. As you see this, tap onto its storage and clear the cache. Now go back and on the default, tap on set as default. Make sure that you have toggled on this open supported links and also make sure this app is your default app. Now tap on force stop on your bottom right, tap on OK. And to do all that, open up WeChat. Just like so, this shall fix your problem. And that is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.